Hey friends, Matthew Barbie with Perfect Company. I want to take a moment to show you a great feature of Perfect Blend. So one of the neat things about all the Perfect apps is that basically every recipe is scalable. So we're going to make this all green smoothie. Get it? Haha, blend. And here you'll see it makes 2 servings. So I can go in here and I can dial up. I want 6, 7, 8, or 9 servings, whatever you desire. Now you can also scale by volume. So I just go in here and dial up the amount of each of those 6 smoothies from 12 to 20 ounces for a grand total of 120 fluid ounces versus the default 24 ounces. Even better, I can even scale by calories. So I just click on my calories button right here and I just dial it right in. So let's say I want to make a smoothie, 2 smoothies that are 210 calories each. That'll give me 27 ounces. Now I'll just get back to our recipe. We'll scroll up to the serving block. And now you'll see we're scaling by calories. So all you do is fill up your glass until you hit the black line, and each of your smoothies will be 210 calories. Hope you found this helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please let us know at makeitperfectly.com. And as always, have a perfect day.